A very good afternoon to all of you. At the outset, I would like to thank all the media in Srinagar for being very kind and being here with us at this press conference called by FICCI Flow Jammu Kashmir Ladakh chapter. I'd like to introduce all of us. My name is Varuna Anand, and I have been the chairperson of this chapter in 2023-24. Presently, I am the National Initiative Head for Textiles, Handlooms and Handicraft, FICCI Flow. I speak on behalf of our chairperson, Varsha Bansal, who could not be here today because there is a medical emergency in her family and she is in Delhi at the moment. So I have with me our immediate past chairperson, FICCI Flow Jammu Kashmir Ladakh, Aarti Chaudhary ji, our senior vice chairperson, who will be the chairperson of this chapter next year, Rupika Sahai, Tanisha, Sona Mehta, and Shipra Agarwal. This is our team from Jammu Kashmir Ladakh chapter. To tell you about FICCI Flow Jammu Kashmir Ladakh. FICCI Flow Jammu Kashmir Ladakh is a chapter which was established 5 years back. FICCI Flow is the largest chamber of commerce, women-led chamber of commerce in Southeast Asia. Our parent body is FICCI. Flow here stands for FICCI Ladies Organization, FLO. That is what it stands for. Flow today, FICCI is almost a 100-year-old organization, a pan-India organization, and Flow is a 43-year-old organization, which was the ladies organization. 5 साल से हम यहाँ पर जम्मू में हमको इस्टेब्लिश किया है. हमारा चैप्टर 2021 में शुरू हुआ था और हम we work towards women empowerment. When we say women empowerment, we work on 3 levels, and these are all directives given by our head office. The 3 levels are grassroots, middle and senior. Senior level में आजकल बहुत board of directors पे ladies चाहिए होती हैं, so we work on that. Middle level में entrepreneurs हम जैसे, और ग्रास रूट लेवल में जो लेडीज बिल्कुल ग्रास रूट में हैं और वो आगे बढ़ना चाहती हैं, जैसे सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप की लेडीज हैं, हम उनके लिए कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं. सो दिस इज अ लिटिल अबाउट FICCI Flow. After 5 years, we are first time making our footprints into Kashmir. We have a few members and we are very happy to say that. And we are now increasing our footprints with 2 events which we have organized. One is tomorrow, which is a eye camp for artisans, craftsmen under the carpet and pashmina industry. This is a project which has been done. जो इस क्राफ्ट में है, I mean it's a health hazard for them or a occupational hazard for them, आंखें कमजोर होना. So हमारा collaboration hai with KD Hospital, and we have them coming with us as partners. There is going to be a health camp 11:30 a.m. onwards tomorrow at IICT, which is the Indian Institute of Carpet Technology, and we are targeting about 300 plus craftsmen coming over there for their eye checkups, and there will be about 350 glasses also given. जब हम कह रहे हैं चश्मों का, तो ये चश्मे नंबर चश्मे होंगे जो दिए जाएंगे, जो बहुत जरूरी होंगे इस ट्रेड में इनको प्रोवाइड करना. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग, वी आर बिगिनिंग विद दैट. एंड देन ऑन संडे, दैट इज द 17th of May, we have a pop-up exhibition of our flagship event called Vibrant Verve. Every year we hold exhibitions in Jammu under Vibrant Verve, and we also hold small pop-up exhibitions जो कहते हैं कि ये हम करते हैं अपने मेंबर्स के वर्क प्लेस पे. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच आरती जी विल टॉक अबाउट एंड शी विल टेल यू ऑल अबाउट इट.
Good afternoon, everybody. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all of you for giving us such a warm welcome. FICCI Flow Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh chapter, we are working on spreading our footprints and bringing our Vibrant Verve pop-up to Srinagar. Vibrant Verve is our flagship marquee event, which we initiated in 2023. We started with Vibrant Verve, as Varuna ji said, to empower our entrepreneurs of the region. And as our forum believes that our forum's motto is power to empower. And I believe empowered women can power other women. So if we have been blessed and we have been empowered, we would just like to empower other women as well. So Vibrant Work, we started as I said before in 2023 to promote women entrepreneurs, and we got such a overwhelming response that from last year then we started with small pop-ups. These pop-ups we started in our members' workplace, which was for other members also only. So, but looking at the response, it went beyond the forum. It went to the other people, other women entrepreneurs who we have been able to empower. So now we are increasing our family and coming to Srinagar. As she said, we have got few new members from Srinagar, and we are very proud to say that we are increasing our family. And to create a footprint in Srinagar, we are doing this pop-up. We had initially started with 10 stalls, and we got such an amazing response from all the beautiful ladies in Srinagar that we had to, it became a grandeur project, and we have now almost 35 participants. And this is, at this point, we had to actually stop with our registrations, and we're taking on more participants. But we have got such a overwhelming response from the valley, from all the people, from all of you. This is just amazing, and hoping that to many more events in the valley and to many more footprints and making our presence felt. So this is what we are going to be doing. And we have also, Vibrant Work has also been working on promoting the ladies from the self-help groups and the FPOs. We have been working very closely with the ladies of the SHGs. So we have been skilling them to making things and creating products and stitching, and that we have given them spaces in our exhibition, in our pop-ups, to display their products and to display their talent, as women all over are wanting to come out of their shell and make a name for themselves. And why not? And Fiki Flow is the perfect platform to bring them forward. So this is what Vibrant Verb is all about. It's just, as Varnaji said, it's grassroots, it's the middle, and it's the senior level. So we are doing our bit to promote all the grassroots ladies as well as ladies from the middle level, and hoping for a good response. But